Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to uncover something that might surprise you: the hidden costs of everyday purchases. You might think you're getting a great deal, but are you really paying more than you think? In this video, we'll explore some of the sneaky expenses that can add up and show you how to be more aware of your spending. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what we mean by hidden costs. These are the expenses that aren't immediately obvious when you make a purchase. They might be extra fees, maintenance costs, or the long-term impact of your spending decisions. Understanding these hidden costs can help you make better financial choices and avoid spending more than you realize. Credit card interest and fees. One major hidden cost comes from credit card usage. While credit cards can be convenient, they often come with high interest rates and fees if you don't pay off your balance in full. The interest on unpaid balances can accumulate quickly, turning a small purchase into a much larger expense over time. Additionally, late payment fees and annual fees can add up. To avoid these hidden costs, try to pay your credit card balance in full each month and be mindful of any fees associated with your card. Subscription services. Another hidden cost is subscription services. It's easy to sign up for streaming services, magazine subscriptions, or premium apps, but these costs can accumulate without you even realizing it. Many people forget about the subscriptions they no longer use or need. Regularly review your subscription services and cancel any that you don't use frequently. You might be surprised at how much you're saving by cutting out these recurring charges. Free trials and add-ons. Be cautious with free trials and add-ons. While the initial offer might seem like a great deal, these trials often come with automatic renewal clauses. If you don't cancel before the trial period ends, you could be charged the full subscription price. Additionally, add-ons or upgrades might be presented as small, insignificant costs, but they can add up over time. Always read the fine print and keep track of trial periods to avoid unwanted charges. Eating out and coffee shop visits. Eating out and frequent coffee shop visits can also be deceptively costly. While a single meal or coffee might not seem like a big expense, those small costs can add up significantly over time. Consider preparing meals at home and brewing coffee yourself to save money. Planning ahead and making these small changes can lead to substantial savings without sacrificing your lifestyle. Brand name products. Brand name products can sometimes come with hidden costs. While they might seem like the better choice, generic or store brand alternatives often offer similar quality at a lower price. Over time, buying brand name products regularly can lead to higher expenses. Next time you're shopping, consider trying the generic versions of products to see if they meet your niche or needs at a fraction of the cost. Shipping and delivery fees. Online shopping has become increasingly popular, but don't forget to factor in shipping and delivery fees. Sometimes the convenience of online shopping comes with hidden costs that aren't immediately apparent. Look for free shipping options or take advantage of deals that include free delivery. Additionally, avoid impulse buys by sticking to your shopping list and avoiding unnecessary purchases that add to your total cost. Maintenance and repairs. Don't overlook the hidden costs of maintenance and repairs. Whether it's for your car, home appliances, or electronics, these expenses can add up over time. Regular maintenance can help prevent costly repairs in the future. Budget for these potential costs and consider setting aside a small amount each month to cover maintenance and unexpected repairs. Impulse purchases and emotional spending. Impulse purchases and emotional spending can be significant hidden costs. It's easy to buy things on a whim or as a way to cope with emotions, but these spontaneous purchases can quickly add up. Implement strategies like a 24-hour rule before making a purchase to give yourself time to consider whether it's a necessary expense. Gym memberships and fitness classes. Finally, gym memberships and fitness classes can come with hidden costs. While they might seem like a worthwhile investment in your health, you might not always use them as much as you planned. Consider exploring free or lower-cost fitness options like home workouts, community classes, or outdoor activities to stay active without overspending. So, there you have it, some of the hidden costs that can add up and catch you by surprise. By being aware of these expenses, you can make more informed financial decisions and avoid spending more than you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and insights.